Assalamu alaikum viewer. This is Police Force Pro YouTube channel. Video lecture number 2. Coolest, highest, lowest, biggest, tallest, smallest and oldest in Pakistan. Number 1. China is the world's largest producer of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. Number 2. Transport sector of the country is the largest consumer of soil and oil product. Number 3. Power sector is the largest consumer of the soy gas in Pakistan. Number 4. The road which is highest at above 3000 meter height is Shar-e-Karakram. Number 5. The oldest news agency of Pakistan is APP. Number 6. Skardu received the heaviest snowfall in a year. Number 7. The oldest private airline of Pakistan is Hajweri Airline. Number 8. The highest battlefield in Pakistan as well as in the world is Siachen Glacier. Number 9. Chentar Glacier is located in the region of Chitral. Number 10. The hottest place in Pakistan with highest record temperature 126 Fahrenheit is Jacobabad. Thanks for watching. Subscribe Police Force Pro YouTube channel. I hope you like this video. Thank you so much and goodbye.